Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an application for fever and cold leave. What is an application for fever and cold leave? An application for fever and cold leave is a formal written request submitted to an employer or an educational institution, such as a school or college, to inform them about an individual's inability to attend work or school due to being ill with symptoms like fever and cold. This application typically includes the reason for the leave, the expected duration of absence, and any relevant details, such as a doctor's note or medical certificate. It is also known as sick leave application, medical leave application, leave request for illness, and health leave application. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an application for fever and cold step by step. Check this out. First of all, you can write your information like your full name and home address. And then, write the date of the letter. Use the format of month, date, and year. And write the information about the recipient. You must write their full name. Under it, write their occupation in the company or organization or institution. In this example, the letter is addressed to the Human Resources Manager. And write the name of the company or organization. Write also the address of the organization or institution. You should include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After including these information, you can write salutation. For example as, Dear Mr., or Mrs., or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, this is where you begin by stating the purpose of your letter, which is to request sick leave. For example as, I am writing to formally request sick leave from LMN Corporation due to a severe cold and fever. You can also mention your job position, or your grade if you are a student. And then, mention the reason for your leave. In this case is fever and cold. And briefly explain the need for the leave. In this example, the writer told the recipient, after consulting with my healthcare provider, it has been advised that the writer take some time off work to rest and recover. Of course, you will have to prove it later, so, be prepared with the documents. In the second paragraph, you can specify the dates you intend to be on sick leave. And write also the expected date of your return. In this example, the writer is requesting sick leave starting from December 1, 2023, and anticipate returning to work on December 10, 2023. And if necessary, mention any attached medical certificates or documents. You can simply write, I have attached a medical certificate for your reference. In the third paragraph, this is where you can explain how you plan to manage your responsibilities during your absence. Or, you can also mention any colleague or team member who will cover for you. But you have to make sure you have talked to your colleague about this matter. So, for example, you can write, during my absence, I have informed my colleague, Lisa Smith, about my projects and responsibilities. She will be covering for me to ensure a smooth workflow. In the fourth paragraph, you can provide your contact details. And express your willingness to stay in touch during your leave for any urgent matters. In this example, the writer wrote, I can be reached via email at michaeljohn@email.com, or by phone at 555-789-1234 for any urgent matters during my sick leave. In the fifth paragraph, you can request approval for your sick leave, express gratitude for their consideration. You can simply write, "Thank you for your understanding and approval of this sick leave request," and mention your readiness to complete any required forms or procedures. For example as, "I am committed to ensuring that my absence does not cause disruption, and I will facilitate a seamless transition during this period." In short, you just have to convince the recipient that you will be responsible for your job or studies. And finally, you can close the letter with "sincerely." Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an application letter for fever and cold leave. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.